Malia has the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups though?
Yeah. I'm going ski-boarding with one foot.
How can you get rid of those hiccups?
I don't know. Maybe sliding? Maybe somebody can scare a boy?
Boom!
Maybe I can hold my butt.
Boom! I think they're gone. Are they gone? I think they're gone. Get rid of them.
I got rid of them?
Nice. What the?
That's hot.
Oh, I know how else we can get rid of them. Off with your head. Oh yes, if we take your head off, then we can put it inside these catchy things and throw your head back and forth. Let me see if your head will fit in here. Hang on. Yep, that'll work. Can I use your scissors? Can I borrow your scissors?
Mom, Daddy's asking you.
No, I'm asking you for your scissors, your blue ones.
No.
Why?
Off at your head.
What?
Off at your head.
No way.
Yep. Mom, they're my little tiny scissors.
What are you gonna do with them?
Cut your head off.
What? You're joking, right?
I'm serious.
You're serious?
Yeah. I'm gonna like this, like this.
Well, then what are you gonna do with my head?
Put it in there.
And then do what?
Go back and forth.
To who?
Do you?
I'm not gonna be able to catch it because I won't be able to see without my head.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. I think your hiccups are gone.